I'm Joanna Lazaro, CEO and co-owner of Lorus Enterprises. We are the company who brought in some of the best speakers and trainers and thought leaders to our country like Robert Kiyosaki, Gary Vaynerchuk, Vishen Lakhiani, Matthew Hussey, and many others. And it's also our company who do the Millionaire Mind Intensive, the National Achievers Congress, the Cashflow 101 workshop here in the Philippines, including the Unmessable and the Takeoff Summit. Bakit nga ba kailangan mo na umattend ng Succession event happening on September of this year? Kasi bukod sa marami kang makikilala na mga magagaling na mga entrepreneurs, na magagaling na mga tao who came from nothing but built something so big for themselves, you're gonna be mentored by them. Matututunan mo yung mga tools, yung mga secrets nila to their own success. But beyond that, on my part, I'm gonna teach you something. Hindi skills, hindi tools, hindi technique. It is something that already innate in you. I-harvest lang natin so that you can always have, or you can already have, the success, the money, the relationship, the happiness that you always desire. Ano yon? It's the power of gratitude. So on my talk on September 2025 sa Succession, I'm gonna be talking more paano mo magagamit ang power of gratitude so that you can level up and be the person that you're always meant to be. So I'll see you there.